Good morning. So today is day 2 of my little trip to Paris. Why did I say that? I'm always tempted to say Paris, but it is Paris. So today is going to be an art day. So I'm going to see 2 museums and maybe some more things along the way. Some cool things. I am going to the Invalides. Alright, so that's the train station, so the metro station of Les Invalides. There, that's the building of Les Invalides. And there, that is where I am going. The Petit Palais, so the little palace, and Le Grand Palais, so the big palace. So this morning I will be visiting Le Grand Palais, so the big palace, because there is an art exhibit in there that I'm interested in. But it's only 9:30 and it opens at 10, so I'm going to get closer to the building of Les Invalides first. Look, who do we see there? I will get closer to the Eiffel Tower later during the day. So that is Hôtel des Invalides. So there is an army museum of maps. I don't want to visit anything, I just wanted to get a closer view. There we go. Alright, so I'm not going to visit that. I'm going to walk back straight ahead to the Grand Palais. This is a mess. Des chevaux. Look how cute. To be honest, I'm going to the Grand Palais not just for the exhibit. The exhibit looks cool, but that's it. The Grand Palais in itself looks like a really beautiful building, so I just want to see the building too. Pont Alexandre III, so that's the bridge Alexander III. La Tour Eiffel and Grand Palais. So here they are, Grand Palais, Petit Palais. There's actually another cool view from there, I guess. And it is 10, so now it's open. Alright, I might as well just start queuing, so that is Le Petit Palais on the side there. Just keep going. There is 1 hour and a half of waiting to get inside. Because I am on a low income at the moment, I'm allowed to go into a lot of places for free. So like all the museums I'm visiting at the moment in Paris, I will visit all of them for free. But the problem with that is that with some of them, I can't book in advance. So for this museum, I was not able to book in advance even a free ticket. Which is why now I would have to wait for so long. And that is Le Petit Palais. Et Grand Palais. So I think the exhibit would have been interesting and the inside would have been nice, but do I want to wait an hour and a half just to see inside? Not really. I can show you some photos, some Google photos from the inside. You will see it's pretty nice. So that's the exhibit that's inside. Look, that's pretty cute there too. Le Petit Palais on this side, and I crossed just to get a better view of Le Grand Palais. Petit Palais, Musée des Beaux-Arts de Paris. Actually, do I want to see that one? Look how impressive to that one. It's the Museum of Fine Arts actually, and it's free, so there is no booking, like the permanent collections are free. There is no booking, no reservation, no anything, you just enter. So there is no queuing apparently. So I'm just going to visit Le Petit Palais instead of the Grand Palais. So let's go and look at this magnificent door. Honestly. And there is a very pretty garden too. So totally a good idea to come there. It's a beautiful building. I actually want to do the gardens first. Jardin, café, restaurant. Hop là. Look at ducks. So this is a cafe. I'm gonna go back inside. Alright, so that was like really great, and it's free, and I didn't queue, and the building is beautiful, and the collections were great. So like highly recommend Le Petit Palais, the Little Palace. Le Grand Palais, I'm sure it's also really beautiful, especially like inside the building. It's basically sort of like a big greenhouse, so it looks really beautiful. I'm sure it's great. But it's also not free, and there is queuing, even if you have a ticket actually. So yeah, I really recommend Le Petit Palais. So that was my first thing of the day. Now it's 11:45. I'm gonna try to find a sandwich because I'm still trying to stay on a budget. I will walk to my second point of the day and try to find a sandwich on my way there. Alright, so for now I'm going to walk along the river. Look, that's the bridge again. Bateau mouche, that's those boats that you see on the Seine. I don't know what this building is, by the way, but it's pretty. There's like a golden roof. Ta-da! Gold Avenue de New York. So I have a warm croque-monsieur that was so expensive, that was €5. Oh, that's there! Musée d'Art Moderne de Paris. That's actually my second point of the day. But I want to eat my sandwich first for my croque-monsieur, my veggie croque-monsieur. Musée d'Art Moderne de Paris. So if I understand correctly, the Museum of Modern Art of Paris is in the Palais de Tokyo, so the Tokyo Palace. Palais de Tokyo. Very nice. And by the way, the Eiffel Tower, right there. Oh, no, no, no. Not for you. They think it's for them. No, no, it's not for you. Alright, so after the fine arts this morning, we are going to see some modern art this afternoon. And the building itself is quite impressive. There we have Musée Art Moderne, and there Palais de Tokyo, Modern Art Museum. That is where we are going. So the permanent collection is free, and there are some exhibitions. Alright, so that was another really great museum. I actually remembered that I could access the temporary exhibits for free because I'm on a low income again. So I did both of them, and the one about the atomic bomb was just really great. Some stuff were just like very impressive, especially the testimony from people who were in Japan, in Hiroshima and Nagasaki. That was really, like, their drawings and stuff were just really impressive. It is currently 5 p.m. and I am just out. Look at the view. Alright, so you know what I want to do? Obviously, I want to get closer to the Eiffel Tower. I don't know if that's new. What are you doing? I hope I got some good photos. Yeah, I'm not going up there, by the way. It's more pretty from far away anyway, so at least from outside. When you're on there, you just don't see it anymore. So I've put the full frame. I think now you can see it like completely. That is great. Alright, I'm on my way to find a metro station now. That is a station.